very idealistic, and he fired everyone up with a sense of idealism. Of course, he always got a skill na kasi isang beses papunta kami coordination, nagmaya kami, marunong daw siya maneho ng jeep. Hindi pala marunong. Bumangga kami dun sa railing sa South Superhighway. So anyway, it wasn't our time, but we had fun. But anyway, he convinced me, apply ka. I think you're, there's a reason why you are here. But I went to my novitiate, and when it's Father Poliandro who tells me, and he's a saint, that, I told Father, I went to the jewelry with the wrong intentions. Oh, don't worry. God writes straight with crooked lines. But the doubts were always there, but you had a lot of work to distract yourself with, a lot of study, and of course, cold showers always help.
Yeah.
So I made my first profession straight out of the novitiate. Linis ng sutana ko, diba? Hawak-hawak mo yung Constitution. Tapos ang naging assistant namin na si Brother Bok Legacy. Si Bok. Yeah. He was our teacher in the Rizal course. Technique natin yun. Pagka hindi mo alam yung course, you divide the students into groups and give them a topic to report on. So, may grupo kami, at ang topics na doon. May nakita kami doon, the retraction of Dr. Jose Rizal. So, volunteer kami doon kasi hindi namin alam kung ano yun eh. So, tapos ang iksi ng title, ibang haba, The Life and Philosophy of Dr. Jose Rizal, marami-dami. So it turned out that it was the controversy whether Rizal died a Catholic or not. So sabi namin, uy, huwag tayo mag-report lang, gumawa tayo ng stage play. So, and that was our proposal. But when we started researching about it, we realized it was so complicated. And so sabi namin kay Brother Bok, withdraw na lang kami kasi hindi pala pwede. If we want to put up a play, it would have to be the whole class. Hindi na tayo mag-lecture, tapos yun na lang ang gagawin natin. Di akala na, sige, wag na. Eh si Bok, okay na. Go. Talagang ayaw mong turo eh. And so, I said, I don't know how to write. And he says, took me aside, alam mo siya, God planted that idea in your mind. And because He did, He knows that you can do it. Diba? I learned it in the novitiate, just follow your superior.